Hi guys, this is Samiksha, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't end up missing anything. So today I will be reviewing each and every body care product I have ever used. And let me just tell you, I have used a lot of products. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Starting with the Wishcare's Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Body Lotion. It gives UVA plus UVB protection. It has niacinamide, ceramides, carrot seeds, and raspberries. It has SPF 50 PA+++. If you're looking for a body sunscreen, just go buy this one, as it is one of the best body sunscreens available in the market right now. It not only protects your skin from the sun, but it also repairs the already done damage. So just go and buy it. Next up, we have the Plum's Body Loving Hawaiian Rumba Shower Gel. This is my favorite shower gel. I already own 5 different products in the Hawaiian Rumba range because the fragrance is so good. Next two products are from the same range, the Hawaiian Rumba body oil and the 4% lactic acid and 1% glycolic acid Hawaiian Rumba deodorant. All the products from this range keeps you smelling so good all day long. Next up, I have the 1% salicylic acid daily exfoliating body wash from the Derma Co. It has salicylic acid and glycolic acid. It is for rough and bumpy skin. But all I want to say about this product is don't buy it. It's a huge waste of money. The product doesn't do a single thing it promises. Not worth it. Anyways, moving on to the Nivea's Nourishing Body Milk Lotion. This one particular product has been the OG body lotion in my family for ages now, and this is the best product. Now I have the Vaseline's Sun Protect and Cooling Body Serum Lotion. In other words, it's a body sunscreen. The formula of this product is, like it says, very serum like. It's very lightweight, it's non-sticky, but the only con this product has is that it has SPF 15, which is not at all sufficient. So I won't recommend this one to you. Coming on to the Nivea's Aloe Hydration Body Lotion. Another product from Nivea that I love. It is very hydrating and it has a very fresh smell to it. A great product. Moving on to this trio I received from Be Body Wise as a PR, which I am so grateful by the way. Okay, the products are the 10% AHA body scrub from Be Body Wise, 1% salicylic acid body wash, and 5% lactic acid body lotion. These products have turned out so great, and if you're someone who's suffering from tanning, ingrown hairs, strawberry skin, these are a great option, as the scrub helps in exfoliating dead skin cells. The body wash prevents body acne, and the body lotion improves the skin's texture and removes dry and bumpy skin. This is like a great option out there. Moving on to some sample products which I may have received as a freebie. I don't quite remember. I have these 3 products from Biotic. The Biotics body wash, flawless skin lotion, and shower gel. Useless products. Sorry to say, but that's true. If I were you, I would never buy anything from this brand. I have the Nykaa's Love Struck Stolen Glance Body Lotion. I know it's a body lotion, but I use it as a hand cream and it's a great product. The fragrance is good, not something I would buy, but it's good, and the lotion is also very nice. It keeps your skin very hydrated. Next, I have this Oso Vanilla Trio from Plum. I already love the Hawaiian Rumba range from Plum, and the vanilla range is also very nice. Next up, I have the Plum's Coffee Foot Cream. This product I have used once or twice, so I cannot give a very opinionated review on it. But the smell is good, but I cannot say much more. This is the Nivea's Natural Glow Smooth Skin Deodorant. But if I were you, I would skip this product because it's not that effective, and it also has a very different type of texture which I don't like. Now I have the Just Herbs Exfoliating Face and Body Scrub. The smell of this product is so bad, and the exfoliation is also not that great. Last but not the least, I have again two products from Plum. They are the Driving Me Sherry Gel Body Scrub and Vanilla Vibes Body Butter. The scrub is so good. The smell of this sherry range is also so good, and the scrub, it gives a very nice scrub. It exfoliates very nicely. Very nice product. The Vanilla Vibes Body Butter, the fragrance is too strong, and also it is a little harder to melt it into your skin. And that was it. And if you have stuck till the end, thank you so much for watching. And if you liked it, please don't forget to like and comment which product you love and which product you would like to try. Bye bye.